I just picked up this 2012 GMC Sierra 2500 HD with the LML Duramax. So here's the damage. I have no idea what they could have possibly done to cause this, but interestingly enough, this wheel is destroyed, but from the inside, so you can see it's almost as if they slid and smacked into something. So the windshield also got broken somehow. It's got a sunroof. Let me pop the hood for you guys, and then I'll run through and show everything that's already been done to this truck. Here's a hint, if you guys know what that is. So nothing too fancy looking under the hood. It does have this Sinister Diesel block-off plate, so it has what I would assume is a Sinister Diesel delete kit. As you can see, the EGR is missing, along with pretty much all the other emissions components. And if we get under the truck here, you can see the exhaust tip is missing, so I'll be buying a new exhaust tip. But otherwise, it is a true 5-inch all the way through, straight piped. So that's pretty sweet. They have an aftermarket transmission pan on this, and I think also an oil pan, although it is a little hard to tell. From what I know, this is what's currently done to it, and hopefully it's had the CP3 done. Otherwise, that's something we'll be doing on this truck to make sure it maintains reliability. See, the seats have some tearing, but up here, for the most part, it's good. It's just dirty and there's glass everywhere. I'll need to clean that up very thoroughly. Don't want glass in your butt. Yeah, along with the delete, if you guys haven't guessed what this is just the on-the-fly tuning switch, so you can adjust your power levels depending on how much power you want for whatever you're doing. Going over the damage, the truck currently does not run in the state it's in. Oh, I forgot to mention this too. Another upgrade is this fast fuel system that it has, and if you know what these look like, you know that there should be 2 filters here. You can see this one is damaged and the other one is gone. So when I turn the ignition on, you can hear the sucking air because it's trying to pull a vacuum on the fuel system, but it can't. As for the bed, I already got that picked up this morning with the old LB7. So this is the new bed. I got it for a pretty good deal. It's not perfect, it's kind of rusty, but it was super cheap. So the other side is good, but this side, as you can see, is kind of rotted. But I already ordered a patch panel, so this whole area will be cut out and replaced. I'll probably go ahead and get this bed done and cleaned up and painted before it goes on this truck. But yeah. All right, guys, we finally have the Duramax off the trailer, and I will say it looks a little funny with no bed, but we're getting there. Truck starts up really well. More thing to show you guys that I did not show yet for this video is I bed lined the bed, so that's nice. Paint is all ready. I'm still working. I had some runs right here, still working on removing those. Need to finish the buffing. I got them removed on this side. I had some slight runs, those are all gone. So a little bit of orange peel. I always struggle with these bigger paint jobs. They're a little difficult for me, so we'll see. After we put the bed on, I might go ahead and just wet sand the entire side and get it looking good so it matches with the rest of the truck. But yeah, plucking along. Messing up the paint or anything? You got it? Yep. Alright. Yep. Yeah, let's slowly go down and we can adjust from wherever needed.
Okay, hold on, Dan. Go back. My hand's stuck.
Yeah, mine was stuck.
Alright.
Down?
Go down.
Alright,
we're gonna have to go up a little more. It's not lining up.
Wait, let me. Okay, it's good over here, David.
Well, hold on. No, we're sitting on something. Oh, yeah, you're right.
Yeah, that's basically it almost.
Hold on, let me... it has a suspension.
Or hold on. No, it looks stopped.
I know, right?
Alright guys, we got the Duramax in the shop. So now we just have to work on getting the cab bolts put in all the way. Bed liner's looking pretty good. So now we just gotta attach all the wiring harness back up. I just have to pull some wires off the old bed, put the tail lights in and the lift gate, and we are gonna be basically done. Oh, another thing we have to work on is the fast system is currently just kind of leaning on up in there because I need to put the bracket in, which I have right here. So we're gonna work on getting that installed, and then besides the windshield, the bed will basically be complete. All right, guys, the Duramax project is finally complete. Rebuild is done. Let's go ahead and do the reveal. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. The rebuild is finally complete. And with that being said, the build is not complete. So obviously the truck isn't 100% perfect yet. I didn't even really clean it yet for this video. So I guess you could say this is a part 1 to the series. So now that we've rebuilt the truck, I will keep the series going. I will be upgrading some stuff in this truck. So I'll keep making videos on that. I have social medias that you guys can follow me on to stay updated on the smaller projects that I'll be doing. But yeah, thank you guys again so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for future content on this truck. I'll be posting on here along with basically every other social media platform you can think of. So here in the next week or so, I'll be releasing content. Stay tuned for that. Unless you're watching this video in the future, then check out my channel and watch the videos of all the other things I'll be doing to this truck. And I hope I earned a follow from you guys. And thank you so much for watching. And I hope I'll see you guys on future videos.